Hello, everyone. This is Branson, and I'm so glad to stand here. Today, I will introduce my colleague, Ray. Welcome, Ray.
Hello, everyone. This is Ray.
Yeah, as we can see, maybe still most of us still remember the load table meeting. We learned a lot from such meeting. So, dear Ray, as for the R290 heat pumps, could we ask some question for you?
Yes, definitely.
Yeah, so as we can see, the R290 gas is a much green gas. So what's the advantage of it comparing to the R32 gas?
As we all know that even R32 is a popular refrigerant for our heat pump, but its GWP value is still very high. But for the R290, the GWP value is only 3, much lower than the R32. That means the R290 are much environment.
Okay, good. And I noticed that it is the unit is like the wave shape. It sounds beautiful. So what material it?
Yes, for our R290 heat pump, we use the ABS material for its front panel.
So if some customer don't like the color or don't like the material, it is possible to replace another.
Yes, actually, we receive different requirements from our clients that they want their heat pump to be in different cabinets, different color. So now our R290 heat pump can be made by ABS material, stainless steel, and also if you like different color, we can have
In a so quiet situation. So we have the high require for the noise level. So could you tell us some information of the noise level?
Yes, these days, more and more European countries and its government, they launched a strict policy that the noise come from the equipment should be as low as possible. So for our brand new R290 heat pump, this unit can meet the requirement of low noise, as low as 42 dBA.
32 dBA.
Yes.
Wow, it's passed. It's so great. So it is nearly that there is nearly no noise here.
Yes, so quiet.
Yes, I like this very much. Okay, so about the energy efficiency, could you tell us some information?
Yes, for the R290 unit, we have already meet the requirement of the ERP level of A triple plus.
It means A plus plus plus.
Definitely.
Whoa, good. Okay, I think everything is perfect. So I suggest we can do the next step. It is a disassemble process. Is it right?
Yes, this is our main topic today. We will disassemble this R290 heat pump for all audience to give you a clear introduction and the inner structure of this heat pump unit.
Okay, let's go ahead. So what's the first step?
Yes, let me take the two first. And as you can see, from the front side, you will never see the screw. That is one of our sales point, screw free. So first step to open the top cover. The screw is in the back.
Top cover?
Yes.
Okay.
So now I'll take the screw.
Yeah.
Firstly, to open the top cover, we should take it off and then push forward.
Oh, so easy. Oh, please wait a moment. I noticed that there's too much sponge here. So what's the function of it?
As you can see, to string in, we have two layer sponge. One way is to provide to collect the condensing water. The other way is to lower down the noise as much as possible.
So it means it can reduce too much noise here.
Yes.
Oh, it is a very good design. I like it. So, okay, good. So what's the next step? I think it is the right panel.
Yes, because all our unit connection is from the right panel. So now we will show you the right panel. So may I ask our colleague to help us to turn the right side to the audience?
Yes.
Right side, right side. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
So first step, we will to open this white panel.
Okay. Oh, there is also sponge here. Maybe it is the same the function of it.
Yes, this one is to lower down the noise from the compressor.
Yeah. Let me see. Okay, I noticed that there's three members of the 219. So what is the meaning of it? It means very dangerous.
Basically, yes, because as we all know that R290 is a flammable gas. So actually, all our components are explosive proof. So we just stick this sticker here to mention to our
Yeah, I see. Yeah. So yeah, I noticed that the water pump.
first brand for our water pump. It is also a DC water pump. That means all our water flow can be automatically changed according to the working condition.
Grand Falls.
Yes, it is
Yeah.
the same.
Yeah, it's very famous plant. Yes. So about let me see about the blade heating exchanger.
Yes, this one we use the world famous brand SWAP. It is more efficient.
Okay. Good. So perfect. Okay. Oh, I noticed that there's a right part. So what is it? What's the function of it?
Yes, this part. On my last topic, the roundtable meeting, we mentioned the smart control. This one is the DTU module. With this module, we can connect the data from the heat pump and then transfer to the cloud server. And then we can notice the situation, the status of our heat pump from our web platform or our app.
Yeah, it means that we can control and adjust some parameters remotely to meet the requirements of our customers.
Yes, as we all know that nowadays the manpower of the after-sales service is going very high. So that means with this function, all our after-sales engineer can just stay in his office to look at the PC and then to change the parameter once there's some error or some after-sales problem.
Yes, I think it is a really good way because it can save too much time and money for our customers. If especially if there is something wrong in the unit, yes, I think it's very convenient.
Because this one, the compressor is very inside the unit. So after that, we will also open the front panel and you can have a very clear view.
Okay, yes, good, no problem.
So last step, we will open the back leg.
Yeah.
So my colleagues help us to turn it to
Please.
the audience.
there's something different here. It is the fact. It is the fact that the water inlet and the water outlet, it is in here, and there is some different from traditional heat pumps.
Yes, for our PHNIX traditional heat pump, all our water outlet pipe and the water inlet pipe should be from the sideway. But now, this unit, we decided from the you give us some introduction of our unit.
Yeah. Okay, I noticed that there's still sponge here. It's very clear, yes. Yeah, good. So about the backnet,
Yes.
yes, it's very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. But I know that some customer maybe don't like it. So it is possible for us to remove them.
Yes, basically, this one we are decided very elegant and great and beautiful. As you can see, the leg is very strong. Very strong.
Very strong, yes.
Yes.
I can feel the stronger, yes.
So actually, this one, maybe some clients, they have the idea that because this one will something influence the heat exchange efficiency, so they will remove it. But other clients think that with this lab, they can provide some after-sales engineer to hurt their hands. But it is possible to remove it. Okay, I will show you how to remove it.
Oh, please wait a moment.
Okay.
Wait a moment. I have one question. Yes. So you mean it can improve the energy efficiency? Could you tell us why it is?
If without this backleg,
Yeah.
that means the airflow is much fluently.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I understand. Yes, you're right. Okay.
So I will disassemble the backnet now.
Okay. It is very easy to disassemble. Yes.
Yes. So another part is here.
Okay.
Thank you, Blessing.
Yeah. Okay. Yes. Okay. Oh, what's the next step? I think is the front panel.
Yes, now should be disassemble the front panel. So thank you, my colleagues, to help us to turn the front side to the audience. 对，这样做。Okay, after this part, we finally can open the front panel.
Whoa. Very light. Yes. It also the sponge here. Wow. Good design.
Yes, here the sponge is to lower down the noise coming from the fan brain or the fan motor.
Yeah. Gary? Yeah.
Hello?
I noticed that there's something different, maybe a bit strange. I noticed that the white leaf is something bigger than usual.
Yes.
Yes, so could you tell us why it is?
As we all know that the larger fan brain can make a much more airflow. This one is to maximize our efficiency for the heat exchanger. Also, we know that the larger fan brain, the slower wintering, and the larger cabinet can as much as to lower down the noise.
It can lower down the noise?
Yes.
Wow. So it can improve the energy efficiency?
Yes, also.
Wow. Yes, it's good design. If I'm right, the compressor is inside here.
Yes. So this one can zoom in the camera.
Yeah.
Camera can zoom in here. Just we can notice that the compressor definitely is installed inside this box. This box is also designed with the explosion proof. And then actually we have the anti-vibration plate under the compressors. This is what I mentioned before from the one table meeting. We have 3 ways to control the noise. First, the sponge. Second, to maximize the airflow. Finally, the anti-vibration plate.
So, okay, yeah. So, what's the brand of the compressor?
Yes, these compressors, we apply the compressor brand Highly, which this brand is widely applied in many other European manufacturers in their R290 unit.
Yeah, I think everything is very clear. Yeah.
So now I will have summarized some inner structure of this unit to audience. So firstly, we use the swap plate heat exchanger for our unit. Second, we have the ground force DC water pump to make sure that the water flow can automatically change based according to the working condition. Last, and the compressors, we use the Highly brand for this unit. And also, as you can see, this Cooper pie.
Yeah.
All the Cooper pie are passed through the gas test and the transportation test. Because some clients will worry about that there will be some gas leakage. So we pass this test to ensure that even in the transportation or during the period of installation, or there will be at least to avoid the gas leakage.
Okay, yeah. So the Cooper pie, I have some more question about you. So I'm a bit confused about that you said. Could you say that again?
Yes, all our Cooper pie are passed through the gas test and the transportation test. We ensure that there is no gas leakage during the transportation or during the installation.
Yeah, it's very clear. It's very clear. Okay, everything I think is very clear. So, how about the electrical box?
Yes.
Is it possible to disassemble it?
Okay, so our electric box is on the top of the heat pump. So maybe our camera can come here to have a clear view. So during okay,
please wait a moment. I noticed that there's a silver part inside. So I'm very it's some strange. So could you tell us?
Yes, this kind of silver stuffer is on the bottom of the cases. It is the crankcase heater. So that means sometimes during the heat exchange process, there will be some condensing water. But if in a very cold climate, this condensing water will be easily freezing. So we have this heater to provide the water from freezing into ice.
Okay. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Yes, I understand this. Okay, go ahead.
So we will continue to show you the electric box inside to our audience.
Okay, please wait a moment. What's it?
This one is our wiring diagram. It is more convenient for our clients and for our installer when they just open the electric box and they will find the wiring diagram here, and then it helps them to connect with the heat pump and all the components.
Oh, it means it can help us work to assemble the unit. Is right?
Yes.
Okay, it's good, convenient. Oh, in such electrical box, I can see many components here, like the PCB board and the compressor drive and the field. Yeah, too many. So yeah, I know that the PCB is so special. So could you tell us some? Yeah.
Yes, for our main control board, or called the PCB board, we apply our own PCB board for this unit, because some clients, they will have their own design, own software, own control logic. We apply our own PCB board can meet most the requirement from our clients.
Yeah. So what about of this compressor drive?
Yes, this compressor dry board, we apply the Emerson Roofing dry board. This one is the famous brand to ensure that our compressor can run stably and exactly to control the heat pump.
Okay. Yeah. Well, beautiful.
So my camera can come back.
Yeah. Okay. I learned a lot. From such meeting, and thank you for Ring. But at the in the last, could you make a summary of this R290 heat pumps to our all customers?
Okay, so thank you for all the audience to come to our meeting for the R290 unit for the December. So I will give another summary of our unit. Firstly, this unit meet the ERP level of A++, and the SCOP is more than 5.0. With the ABS front panel design, we can easily change to meet the client's request. We can use another material for the front panel, another color. So for the inner structure, we have the compressor installed beneath on the anti-vibration plate. The compressor is with Highly brand. This brand is widely applied from many other European manufacturers. And then we apply the swap heat exchanger, plate heat exchanger for our unit. After all, we have our built-in water pump. It is a DC water pump. Ensure that our water flow can automatically change based on the working conditions. And then for the electric part, we use our own PCB board, and the compressor dry board, don't worry, we apply the famous brand, Emerson Roofing brand. And because this is the R290 unit, many clients are worried about the gas leakage or the transportation. But don't worry, all our components are with the explosion proof. And then all our cooper pipe are passed through the stress test and also the transportation test. That means during the transportation or during the installation, there will be to reduce the dangers of the gas leakage as much as possible.
Yeah, very good. Very good. Yes, very good. Thank you, Rain. Yes, it is a really good summary. Yeah. Okay.
If anyone have some question to let us know, you can raise out and contact our sales manager after the meeting. And then after that, we have a video to show you about our R290 unit. So my colleague now will play this video to you.
Yeah. So if any is any interest in this R290 heat pumps, please tell us freely, and we will try our best to provide more information on it after meeting.
Okay, so go to the video.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.